Joseph. Joseph is a brand that has consistently demonstrated its worthiness by delivering products that solve practical problems and simplify tasks in the kitchen. In this video, we will show you 20 Joseph kitchen gadgets that are so functional, they're worth their price tag. Let's get started. This 9-piece nesting collection provides all the essential tools for meal prep in one space-saving design. The set includes a generously sized 4.8-quart mixing bowl, 3.2-quart colander, 1.75-quart stainless steel mesh sieve, and a smaller 0.5-quart mixing bowl, complete with printed measurement markings up to 1 cup. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, the mixing bowls feature wide non-slip bases for stability, along with easy carry handles for mess-free transferring. The improved stainless steel sieve boasts a sturdy mesh construction, ideal for straining, sifting, and rinsing. This compact, self-contained unit takes up minimal cabinet or drawer space while keeping all your prep tools organized and within reach. This ingenious portable cup combines leak-proof convenience with elevated hygiene for the ultimate coffee drinking experience. The key is the mug's brilliant flip-top cap design. When closed, the cap fully covers the drinking area where your lips touch, preventing the transfer of germs and protecting the mouthpiece from dirt and debris. No more cringeworthy sips from a contaminated mug lid. But the Joseph travel mug doesn't just keep things clean, it keeps leaks contained too. The 12 watts capacity is perfectly portable, yet the secure lid ensures your coffee, tea, or favorite beverage stays put without messy spills as you commute. This ingenious kitchen tool allows you to safely and evenly slice fruits and veggies 3 different ways with ease. The real star is the Mandoline's precision food grip, featuring 3 ingenious holding styles to accommodate any size or shape of produce. The pinch grip secures small items like radishes and garlic cloves, while the center grip cradles round slices of carrots, cucumbers, and more. For longer vegetables like zucchini and eggplant, the flat grip provides optimal control. With the simple turn of a dial, you can adjust the stainless steel blade to create thin, medium, or thick slices in seconds. The non-slip tip and ergonomic easy grip handle ensure steady, stable slicing every time. Transform fresh veggies into healthy, zucchini-inspired zoodles and more with the Joseph Spiro Spiralizer. This kitchen gadget makes creating vegetable noodles mess-free and easy. Unlike traditional spiralizers that can be fiddly and create worktop messes, the Spiro features a compact, all-in-one design with an integrated clear collection base. As you spiralize, veggie noodles are neatly caught and contained, no messy piles to clean up after. The Spiro comes equipped with 2 spiralizing blades to customize your noodle thickness. Use the coarse blade for thick, hearty vegetable noodles, or the finer blade for delicate zoodle strands. This versatile silicone steamer expands to fit a variety of pots and pans, then compactly folds down for easy storage when not in use. The key to the Bloom's adaptability are its self-adjusting sides that can accommodate cookware with a minimum 7-inch diameter. No need for special pots and pans. This steamer seamlessly integrates into your existing kitchen setup. Constructed from durable, BPA-free polypropylene and heat-resistant silicone, safe up to 520 GFL. The Bloom is built to withstand the demands of steaming vegetables, fish, dumplings, and more. An easy lift forecook allows you to safely retrieve the filled steamer basket without risking burns. This ingenious brush is specially designed to safely clean blades on both sides simultaneously, protecting your fingers from harm. The blade brush's unique wraparound shape allows the bristles on the top and bottom of the brush head to access both sides of a knife or utensil in one easy motion. Opposed bristles effectively scour stuck-on food and residue for a thorough clean. But what truly sets this brush apart is its safety-first design. As the bristles wrap fully around the blade or utensil, your fingers remain shielded from making dangerous contact with sharp edges. The textured hand grip further enhances control to prevent slips and accidents during cleaning. This ingenious collapsible design folds completely flat, saving precious drawer space while eliminating tangled messes. But the real magic happens with just a simple twist of the handle. In its closed position, the heat-resistant silicone-coated stainless steel wires form a flat whisk, perfect for blending sauces, gravies, and scraping ingredients together. Give it another twist, and presto, the wires fan out into a traditional balloon shape, ideal for whipping cream, beating egg whites, and aerating batters to fluffy perfection. The possibilities don't stop there, though. The unique silicone coating allows the twist whisk to safely be used on even non-stick cookware without fear of scratching. This innovative 5-in-1 design packs the functionality of 5 different tools into one sleek, space-saving package. With the Uni-tool at your side, you'll have everything you need for seamless cooking prep and serving. Use it as a solid spoon for mixing batters or serving sides. Flip it over, and the slotted edges act as a perfect straining spoon for draining pasta or scooping vegetables. But that's not all. The integrated spatula edge excels at flipping pancakes, burgers, and more, while the built-in cutting tool makes quick work of slicing through pizza, quiche, and more with ease. This 2-in-1 utensil makes retrieving olives, capers, pickles, and other jarred foods incredibly easy. The long, slotted spoon reaches effortlessly into even the tallest jars to scoop out items while draining away excess liquid. No more brine splashing all over the counter. But the ingenuity doesn't stop there. A sharp stainless steel fork is integrated right into the spoon's handle, perfect for piercing and removing individual pickles, sun-dried tomatoes, or whatever your heart desires. When you're done serving up antipasti or snacking, both utensils clip together into one compact shape for neat, space-saving storage. This ergonomic crusher allows you to mince whole garlic cloves with ease. Simply place the cloves in the curved crusher bed and use a rocking, back-and-forth motion to apply pressure. The unique design effortlessly minces the garlic, collecting it neatly in the bowl-shaped reservoir below. No more struggling with traditional garlic presses that get stuck or are impossible to clean. The rocker's open design means you can scoop out every last bit of crushed garlic straight into your pan or dish. And cleaning is an absolute breeze. The durable construction can simply be rinsed or popped into the dishwasher after use, with no crevices for garlic to get trapped. This innovative design ensures perfectly even thickness for all your baked goods like never before. The secret lies in the 4 sets of removable discs that raise the rolling surface to precise heights of 1/16, 1/6, 1/4, or 3/8 inches. Simply unscrew the ends and swap in your desired disc thickness. It's that easy. But Joseph didn't stop there. They've also etched a width measurement guide right onto the solid beechwood barrel, allowing you to roll out dough or pastry to exact dimensions every time. Whether you're making pizza crusts, pie doughs, tart shells, cookie logs, or delicate phyllo layers, consistent thickness is key for uniform baking and beautiful results. No more guessing or uneven rolling. This ingenious 3-in-1 tool takes veggie peeling to a whole new level of efficiency. At its core is a razor-sharp stainless steel straight-edge blade that powers through even the toughest potato, carrot, or veggie skins with ease. But that's just the start. The unique Y-shaped design incorporates 2 additional blades, a tough scraping edge for stripping away potato eyes and sprouts, and a zesting tool perfect for citrus garnishes. Together, these 3 high-performance edges turn the multi-peel into an all-in-one peeling workstation. Quickly peel, scrape, and zest all in one smooth motion without constantly swapping tools. This ingenious utensil combines the functions of a scoop, strainer, and serving tool all into one sleek design. Whether you're draining pasta, scooping veggies straight from the pot, or plating individual servings, the colander spoon has you covered. Its perforated nylon construction allows hot liquids to drain away with ease. But the smart design doesn't stop there. The larger size features integrated pan hooks on the underside, allowing you to conveniently rest the spoon on the edge of your pot or pan while it drains. The smaller version swaps the pan hooks for a specially angled front edge, perfect for scraping and retrieving food cleanly from baking trays without damaging delicate non-stick surfaces. Revolutionize your dishwashing routine with the brilliantly designed Joseph washing up brush. At its core is a compact brush head packed with sturdy, non-scratch bristles, perfect for scrubbing pots, pans, dishes, and more with ease. But the real game changer is the integrated reservoir for storing washing up liquid. That's right, no more wrestling with separate bottle and brush. Simply unscrew the soft grip handle, fill the reservoir with your favorite dish soap, and you're ready to start scrubbing. A simple push of the button dispenses just the right amount of suds directly onto the brush. No waste, no mess, just effortless lather and superior cleaning performance. Protect your delicate glassware and dishes from chips and cracks with the ingenious Joseph Sink Protector Mat. This clever two-piece design provides a cushioned landing pad right in your sink basin. The key is the soft, flexible rubber construction that creates a buffer between your fragile items and the hard sink surface. The raised feet elevate the mat slightly too, allowing water to drain away freely. But what makes this protector mat truly brilliant is its adjustable, customizable fit. The two interlocking grid sections can be arranged in multiple configurations to accommodate any sink shape or drain position. This expandable design allows you to adjust the drying space to accommodate every load of dishes. In its compact configuration, the rack measures a space-saving 12.5 by 14.25 by 6.25 inches. But with a simple pull, it extends nearly double in length to 20.75 inches, providing ample room for larger cleaning sessions. An integrated spout at the end drains away excess water easily. Or simply close it to contain water inside until you're ready to empty the tray later. The drying rack includes a removable steel prong rack with non-scratch tips, perfect for protecting delicate glassware and dishes. Maximize your kitchen storage and stay organized with the Joseph DrawerStore. This expandable cutlery tray is the ultimate solution for untidy drawers and limited space. Designed with two adjustable halves, the DrawerStore can extend from 11.4 to 18.9 inches wide to custom fit virtually any drawer size. The secure locking sections ensure a seamless, stable tray no matter the configuration. 4 deep, divided compartments provide ample room for properly storing utensils, knives, and larger tools. An expandable area accommodates oversized items that won't fit elsewhere. A removable dish keeps loose items like clips, ties, and corks contained. This set of 4 holders allows you to neatly mount small to medium-sized lids from 6 to 9.5 inches directly to the inside of cabinet doors or deep drawers. Installation is easy with the included heavy-duty 3M VHB adhesive tape, no tools required. Simply clean the mounting surface thoroughly before applying for a secure, long-lasting hold. The sleek holders suspend lids vertically to maximize storage while keeping them upright, organized, and within easy reach. The compact design takes up minimal space, yet holds lids snugly in place. This unique storage solution utilizes the often wasted area beneath shelves to create bonus drawer storage. Installation is quick and easy using heavy-duty 3M VHB adhesive tape. No tools or drilling required. Simply clean the shelf surface and firmly adhere the drawer unit underneath for an instant, custom-fitted organizer. Size to fit shelves 9.25 inches wide or larger, up to 0.75 inches thick, the compact 2.75 by 9.25 by 8.25 inch drawer provides valuable storage for small, loose items that are difficult to organize. From snack packets and sauce pouches to loose tea bags and food wraps, the undershelf drawer neatly contains kitchen clutter while keeping contents neatly concealed yet easily accessible. This multitasking gadget consolidates 3 essential kitchen tools into one smart, compact design. At first glance, it appears to be a standard can opener with its durable stainless steel cutting mechanism that powers through can lids with ease. but an innovative pivot arm rotates 360 degrees to reveal two bonus tools neatly tucked inside. With a simple twist, access a built-in bottle cap opener for cracking into glass bottles and a handy ring pull lifter for effortless can tab removal. No more hunting through drawers for separate openers.